Welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to show you how to fit the Continental GP5000 tubeless tyre. These tyres are often referred to as one of the hardest to install. I'm going to show you a technique I use to fit them which requires no tools. Once you've got the tyre out of the box, check for the direction arrow so that it's fitted the right way round. I like to line up the brand name with the valve. Starting at the valve, put one side of the tyre on the rim, making sure to keep the bead in the centre of the well of the rim. Once one side is installed, go back to the valve and start to install the other side. Working in both directions towards the bottom. You will end up with a tight section like this. At this point, most people will try to use tyre levers and tools to get that section over the rim. However, if you go back to the valve and push the tyre down into the centre of the rim, working your way back to the bottom, you will get enough slack in the tyre to be able to push it over the rim by hand. That is the tyre fitted. I like to inflate it at this point before adding sealant to make sure that there is no leaks through the rim tape. I'm using the shop compressor to do this. If you don't have a compressor, you can use a track pump, air shot pump, or a CO2 canister like this one. No air is leaking through the rim tape, so all that's left to do is add the sealant. This can be done through the valve by removing the valve core. If you enjoyed or found this video useful, remember to like and subscribe to see all future videos.